Place the balls in your chest up, lift those stance. Pull yourself up, articulate. Think of back bending them. More hips, chin up. One knee to your chest. Think of your fetal this time. Gently. Yes, knee to chest, knee together. And then to your stand. Just the upper back, chin up ng one. Stay. Then back to your fetal, stabilize. Think of your candle. Take your time, ma'am. Nice. Kaya na yan. Knee straight ko lang. Gently open the legs up. Good. From there, hips forward, extension, stabilize. Nod your head. Think of fetal again, ma'am. Pasok ng one and butt. 1 foot reaches on the strap. And then straight to the ligament para smooth yung pag. Yan. Usot mo siya yan. Sige pa. Nice. Then extend from there. Tingin sa front desk. Straighten that knee. Reach to your split. Higher gamay. Drop more sa hips. More. Perfect. Then on your head. Balik. Lusot yung tuhod. Straighten the ligament. Yes, ma'am. Then push away. Push away. Float your head. Drop your hips more. More. Beautiful. Then nod. Hook mo naman diretso. You can commit ka outside. Outside please, yes. And then fetal. Think of candle. Put the strap. Yes, ma'am. Okay na yan. To the back, to the back. Yes. And then open your chest, please. Yes, lower the leg more. More pa, more pa, more pa. And then, careful, fetal. Okay na yung strap. Nahulog lang yan. Remove gently. Candle stick. Okay. Ayun. Okay. Baba mo. Baba mo. And then,